Thanks so much for having us here. Really appreciate the opportunity to introduce all of you to Akkio. Um, Let me get this going here. All right, so Akkio is a company that is making it ridiculously easy, almost effortless to use AI in all areas of your business, whether it's improving your top line, cutting your costs, or even driving your product. So the best companies in the world are winning with machine learning today. Whether it be the magic of the stickiness of TikTok or Tesla is essentially an AI company. These companies are driving their top line with AI. Facebook is doing a tremendous amount to even manage their costs with AI. They're doing it across all areas of their business, not just their product, but also their operations. But there's a problem. The rest of the companies in the world are falling behind. This is truly one of those situations where AI is going to be the most transformative technology to businesses across the world since the internet. But it's a rich getting richer type of situation because it's incredibly difficult to use, and it's incredibly difficult to an incredibly small number of people who know how to use it. And you need data scientists, and you need truly savvy software engineers to be able to do it. So Akkio's here to level the playing field. We want to put AI in the hands of all businesses to predict the future, automate operations, and accelerate growth. All right, here's where we're starting. We found that the best place for our sweet spot right now to start down that path is to start with data teams that are doing a little bit of machine learning, but can't do a lot. I'll tell you, most businesses, a huge number, I dare say most businesses right now look like this, where there's a couple, there's a data team that's formed, there's a couple data scientists, and they're working on a couple projects. Where Akkio can really help right now is in the unlocking that long tail of projects. So instead of doing 1, 2, or 3 machine learning projects, you can use Akkio. It's so effortless to use it that you can imagine doing the rest of the things in your stack that you wish you could do. All right, so what does Akkio does? What does Akkio do? It starts by automating a lot of the things that a data scientist would normally do in data engineering, all the way to machine learning ops. We look at all of those things and we try to automate it. Then next thing, we accelerate it. We do it fast. If something is easy and slow, it's no good. Things that are easy and accessible have to be fast. So we've created some technology here that's really remarkable. That most times, if you use the major ML tools that are available, it might take hours to train a model, where ours can train in less than a minute and provide an even better result. And we simplify it. We're designed for ease of use. So what can companies do with Akkio today? You can grow the top line, lead scoring, sales funnel optimization, churn prediction, things like that. You can cut costs and to automate operations, whether it's ticket routing, sentiment analysis, automatic routing of customer care, and of course you can power a product on it to give a better customer experience. One sort of granular step down, the types of predictions, sort of, AI or machine learning, of course, is data in, predictions out. The type of predictions we can create today are classification problems. So you're trying to decide if something is in bucket A, B, C, or D, or if it's a yes, no on a result. We can do time series forecasting, so you can do a revenue forecast or a supply forecast. You can do time sequence, so you can do next best action. If you show someone this offer, then this offer, then this offer. What's the next best offer to show them later? And not on this slide yet, but we just created anomaly detection as well. So if you have like a machine running, it can watch that machine to tell if something happens, if something is going anomalously wrong with the machine or otherwise. Okay. Couple minutes left here. I'm going to try to be so bold as to do a live demo for y'all to show you just how accessible it is. This is the Akkio database. It's entirely cloud. This is interface. It's entirely cloud-based. I'm going to create a flow. Here you can decide where your data is coming from. If you have it in Salesforce or HubSpot, if you're dealing with CRM data, or Snowflake, if you have a data warehouse, or you could just upload a CSV if you want, which is what we're going to do here. Here I'm going to select the data set that I've already uploaded. This one's called Historic Conversions. This is a data set that is a collection of data about a direct mail campaign. Where you have information about a person and then ultimately whether or not they subscribed. This is 41,000 records. So to create a prediction model out of this, actually you can see it's already like, Akkio is already at work here, sort of detecting what the type of data is in each field that you upload. Okay, I'm gonna create a prediction and I'll scroll down here and just select predict. If you were doing a forecasting model, you'd click there. Then essentially you just select the field that you want to predict. In this case, it's whether someone subscribed or not. So this model's cached already, so I won't show you the 1 minute train it would have taken to create this. You can see a bunch of data about your prediction model. You can see the top fields that had the most predictive power, and you can see the sort of the effect that it has. In this case, you can sort of densify the results of figuring out who's most likely to subscribe by 5x. And then to get to the output, a whole bunch of different ways you can do it. You can pipe it right back into your CRM. You can create a web app, or you can do it via API. All right. I'll stop it there. My call to action is we're just getting going. I would love for all of you who are doing machine learning projects to give us a try. We have a freemium tier. So go to akkio.com to check it out, or contact me at craig@akk.io to schedule a meeting.